Hello, I'm Cassandra Lee, and let's get into this video. So I'm just showing you that I had a recent retwist, so it's looking pretty fresh right now. Shout out to my baby lock in the background there. So what we'll be doing in this video is showing you guys how to reattach a detached lock. All you will need are loose afro hair, the detached lock, and also a lock crochet tool. The reattachment process is very simple. You guys will be able to see how I do it in this video. It's very similar to creating your own lock extension, so I explain how to do that. But what I basically do to reattach them is I align both pieces of the lock adjacent to each other, and I create a mini afro on the detached lock. And I proceed to wrap that loose hair around itself, around the lock, and I just proceed to twist and pierce the lock with the tool and lock the hair using an interlocking method. So yeah, guys, let's get into the video. Let's listen to some cute music and let's learn.
Where you look, where you touch, where you feel, yeah. Where you look, where you touch, where you feel, yeah. Can we talk about me and you? Can we talk about the truth? I wanna know, I wanna know. Can we talk about me and you? Can we talk about me and you? Can we talk about the truth? I wanna know, I wanna know. Can we talk about me and you? Can we talk about the truth? I wanna know, I wanna know. Can we talk about me and you? Can we talk about me and you? Can we talk about the truth? I wanna know, I wanna know. Can we talk about me and you?